Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you what you need to do if you received this email from YouTube. When you receive a message from YouTube stating that your channel has lost access to advanced features, it typically means that YouTube has restricted certain features or privileges on your channel. This can happen for various reasons, including policy violations, copyright issues, or community guideline violations. The specific features that are affected can vary, but it often includes features like live streaming, custom thumbnails, monetization, adding links to your description, or the ability to upload longer videos. So to fix this, you would first need to log into your YouTube channel and open your YouTube Studio. Once you are here, head over to the settings icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. From there, click on the Channel tab and then feature Eligibility. Here you have 3 different tiers of features: Standard, Intermediate, and Advanced. As you can see, Standard and Intermediate features are enabled, but Advanced features are not. So let's continue and open the drop-down menu by clicking on this downwards pointing arrow. Here you can see what advanced features actually enable you to do with your channel, as well as the requirements that need to be met for your channel to be eligible for advanced features. So to fix this, go ahead and press the Access Features button. This will open up another menu asking you to select which type of verification would you like to use. The fastest method is by providing a photo of your ID. So I will select that option and click Next. And here just click on the Get an Email button. Then you will see this notification saying that the verification email has been sent. So just click on Done and open up your email. After doing so, you will receive this email. So to proceed, simply click Start the confirmation process. And then you will get an option to provide a photo of your valid ID. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.